So my program was the general volunteering program, and I chose to come to Palestine because I studied international relations at university, and I felt that I had to see it with my own eyes rather than just reading about it in an academic book. You get a real proper feel and understanding for it being here.
I will give you these things. Now we have here.
I work as a primary teacher in Norway, and it's been a great experience to be able to teach here in Hebron as well. I've been teaching at some schools and at the center, here at the Excellence Center. It's been so great to experience other form for teaching, and I've been very influenced by some of the teachers.
My experience at the Excellence Center has been really enjoyable. They've been really helpful with providing me with a place to stay, breakfast every morning, as well as trips around the local area in Hebron, as well as tips and knowledge about different places in Palestine and things to do. And it's been a really excellent introductory experience to this country.
The reason I went to Palestine was that I'm very interested in Palestinian culture, especially the music you can find around here. For the last couple of weeks I've been taking oud classes.
I would say a lot of people are worried about coming to Palestine because they feel that it's unsafe for them. However, in my experience, it's been pretty safe. Everyone has been very welcoming and very eager to tell me about what their lives are like here in Palestine and about the history and the culture and everything. So I feel that I feel very safe here as a foreigner.
أنا بحب بالخليل
الأكل
الأكل
والناس لطيفين.
والناس لطيفين.